Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been posted for a while, but I want to show you my new garden May update and some of the things I've worked on right now. So here is a container I started last week, and actually not even a week. I started it last Sunday, but here is the progress, which is actually insane. So we're gonna start on the left. These are little like dirt pods you can plant and buy from the store, and you just put a couple seeds in them, and this is what they look like not even in a week. Depends on the plant, of course, but mine is pretty insane looking. Here's the first variety. We have Cucumber Muncher on the left, and this is just a variety of cucumbers, and as you can see, growth, but not as much growth as some of the others, but it's still going good, and they look really good. This one, on the other hand, is kind of weird. The root is actually growing outside of it, and you can see you got some of like the root right here, and then you got some of the leaf growing out of the seed. It's just kind of chaotic right here, but I mean, it's cool, and maybe this one might work, may or may not work, but it's cool to see. Next we have, zucchini. There we go, zucchini squash. These guys are looking really good. This is a little bit yellow, but hopefully the green will kick in soon. And these ones are looking really good. Here's another crazy root look. That is pretty cool and crazy at the same time. The root is just coming out from all ends and growing. That's why we need to get these guys in the dirt right away, so the root can go even farther than what it's at right now. So we got the zucchini looking really good. Then right here we have cucumber slicer. These are probably the best looking ones right now. This one's looking really good. As you can see, we planted 3 in here and they're just growing. And look at that. How good do these look? They're just growing really nice and just high up. Next we got watermelon, which is really exciting. I've wanted to grow watermelon and finally we got 2, so hopefully this works. But watermelon, here we go. They're growing great, a little yellow, but it's all right. Each one is growing. As you can see, there's like a little bit of the plant showing, but it's gonna come up probably today, the end of today, or maybe tomorrow. Next we got green bean, which is like, look how high that is, coming very fast and far up. And we just got green bean. Some of the leaves are a little yellow right here, especially. It's not this yellow, but the camera quality is making it look really neon yellow, but not that yellow. But hopefully it will get greener sooner or later. And you can see that it's coming out with all the roots. And last but not least, carrot, which is actually not coming out barely any. I see a little bit, but in these two, no. This guy, you can see a little bit of green coming out. This one too, and this guy. And the last one, nope. But that is my plant right here, and it looks, blur. These are doing great. I've been checking on them and they're just growing really well. So I think by tonight we're gonna plant them so they can grow even farther and start to turn into actual plants. And now let's go to my actual garden tour in the ground. Okay, let's move on to my garden bed. Here we got some of my favorite fruits ever. These are the strawberries. The 3 in the back I actually planted last summer, but now they're still growing and they're actually looking really good, and I'm really excited to have strawberries this summer. In the front we actually got a new variety. I'm pretty sure this is quinault. I'm pretty sure. These look really yummy and delicious, and I'm really excited to try them. This is the next variety. This is the the Kozark berry. I don't know if I'm saying that right. These are looking really delicious. Not delicious, I don't know what I'm saying. These are looking really healthy and good, and hopefully they will produce a delicious strawberry. That's what I meant to say. Here's the next strawberry variety. I'm really excited actually for these. These are the Berry Basket Pink, and it looks like they have pink leaves, but that might just be advertising. I don't know. But these look really delicious. Not delicious. Why do I keep saying delicious? These look really good, and overall I'm excited with the growth. I got them about last week and they're looking still really green and fresh. So that's exciting. Next over here we got tomatoes, and this tomato is the Super Sweet 100 cherry tomato variety, and I love cherry tomatoes. I like putting them in pastas, I like putting them on salads, and I feel like you can do so many things with cherry tomatoes. So we're growing these, and these are gonna be delicious. The plant is looking really good and still thriving. So that's a good thing that's happening with my plants. Next, we got these. These are smaller, but still good. This is the Sweet Million cherry tomato variety. I mean, look how pretty those look. They literally look like a rainbow. I'm really excited, and I hope these vine. I already have some flowers growing, so hopefully those grow into little tomatoes. The next tomato we have is Aroma, and these are the tomatoes that you put in your like pastas and sauté. So these are gonna be bigger tomatoes, and these are determinate. And the plant's looking really well, and the leaves are not crisping at all. So overall, it's doing really well. And I've only had these plants for about only 6 days, 5 days, which is insane, and they're doing really good. Next, we have a red bell pepper, which I'm really excited about. Last summer, I did not grow any bell pepper that actually that were actually fully grown. So I'm hoping this year I actually get some bell pepper so I can use them and cook with them. So these are looking good so far. No bugs have gotten to them, so that's exciting. The next tomato we have is I think this is just a regular like Better Boy or something, but this is the tomato plant I had since I'm pretty sure last summer and maybe a little later, but this tomato plant used to be brown and crispy, and now it's thriving again, which is really good, and we got some flowers on here and growing new leaves. So overall, this is doing much better, and I'm hoping we get some tomatoes off this guy too. Anywho, that is my full garden tour. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day, and see you next video.